दीवानी हो जाए, आपके गमों की सारी बातें पुरानी हो जाए, दे आए इतनी खुशी आपको कि खुशी भी आपके मुस्कुराहट की दीवानी हो जाए। हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्ते। मैं हूँ मेघा, आपकी होस्ट। टीजीएस कॉलेज एसेम्बली में आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। तो आज है 19 मार्च અને જો ગુજરાતી કેલેન્ડર પ્રમાણે જોઈએ તો આજે છે ફાગણ સુદ છઠ અને શુક્રવાર। हे ईश्वर, मेरी यही प्रार्थना है, तुम्हारी मेहरबानी मुझ पर बनाए रखना, जो रास्ता सही हो उसी पर मुझे चलाए रखना। तो चलो फिर अपने दिन की शुरुआत प्रार्थना से करते हैं।
चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम। बड़ा कमजोर है आदमी, अभी लाखों है इसमें कमी, पर तू जो खड़ा है दयालु बड़ा, तेरी कृपा से धरती थमी। दिया तूने हमें जब जन्म, तू ही झेलेगा हम सबके गम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम। ये अंधेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा, हो रहा बेखबर, कुछ न आता नजर, सुख का सूरज छिपा जा रहा है तेरी रोशनी में जो दम। तू अमावस को कर दे पूनम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम। जब जुल्मों का हो सामना, तब तू ही हमें थामना। वो बुराई करे हम भलाई करे, नहीं बदले की हो कामना। बढ़ चले प्यार का हर कदम, और मिटे बेर का ये भरम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम।
ફરીથી શરૂઆત કરવી પડે તો ગભરાશો નહીં. જો ફરીથી શરૂઆત કરવી પડે તો ગભરાશો નહીં, કારણ કે આ વખતે શરૂઆત શૂન્યથી નહીં પરંતુ અનુભવથી થઈ છે. સો થિંક પોઝિટિવ. આવી જ રીતે આપણી સમક્ષ વાર્તા રજૂ કરશે મિત્તલ.
નમસ્કાર, મારું નામ મિત્તલ. હું શ્રીમતી કણસાગરા મહિલા કોલેજમાં અભ્યાસ કરું છું. હું આજે તમને એક સ્ટોરી કહીશ. એક પ્રખ્યાત વક્તાએ 100 રૂપિયાની નોટ હાથમાં રાખી ભાષણ આપવાનું શરૂ કર્યું. આખો સભાખંડ ચિક્કાર ભરેલો હતો. એને એ 100 રૂપિયાની નોટ બતાવતા પૂછ્યું, કોને જોઈ છે આ 100 રૂપિયાની નોટ? ધીમે ધીમે એક પછી એક હાથ ઉપર થવા લાગ્યા. એને કહ્યું, જેટલાએ હાથ ઉપર કર્યા છે હું દરેકને 100 રૂપિયાની નોટ આપીશ, પણ એ પહેલા મારે કશું કરવું છે. એમ કહી એને એ 100 રૂપિયાની નોટ ડૂચો વાળી દીધી અને પછી ખોલીને પૂછ્યું કે હવે આ નોટ કોને જોઈએ છે? ફરી એક પછી એક હાથ ઉપર થવા લાગ્યા. ભલે કહી એને એ 100 રૂપિયાની નોટ ડૂચો વાળી દીધી અને જમીન પર ફેંકી તેના બૂટ નીચે કચડી નાખી અને ઉચકાવીને પૂછ્યું કે હવે આ ખરાબ અને ધૂળવાળી નોટ કોને જોઈએ છે? ફરી એક પછી એક હાથ ઉપર થવા લાગ્યા. વક્તાએ કહ્યું, આજે આપણે ખૂબ મહત્વની વાત શીખ્યા. એ નોટ ખરાબ અને ધૂળવાળી હોવા છતાં પણ તમારે જોઈએ છે, કારણ કે તમને ખબર છે તેની કિંમતમાં કઈ ઘટાડો થયો નથી. હજી પણ તેની કિંમત 100 રૂપિયા જ છે. એમ આપણા જીવનમાં આવતી મુશ્કેલીને કારણે આપણે હતાશ થઈ જઈએ છીએ, નિરાશ થઈ જઈએ છીએ. આપણને લાગે છે આપણી કિંમતમાં ઘટાડો થઈ ગયો છે, આપણે સાવ નકામા થઈ ગયા છીએ. પરંતુ એવું નથી. કંઈ પણ થઈ આપણી કિંમતમાં કાંઈ ઘટાડો થતો નથી. આપણે બધા ખાસ છીએ, એ વાત આપણે ક્યારેય નહીં ભૂલશું.
You know, the key to being happy is knowing you have the power to choose what accept and what let go. So I would like to invite Gracie for spread some positive vibes.
Hello everyone, Namaste. Every morning is a symbol of rebirth of our life. So forget all yesterday's bad moments and make today the most beautiful day of your life. Be positive, be happy always. Have a wonderful morning. I, Gracie Varsani from Kansagra College. I want to tell you a story. So, are you ready? There was a carpenter who worked for a house building business. After years of committed, dedicated, high quality work, one day he came to the employer and said, "Sir, I will certainly miss my paycheck, but me and my family now have enough savings and we can live based on those savings for rest of our life. I think I want to take voluntary retirement and retire now to peacefully live my life for the rest of my life." The employer was deeply saddened that he would miss one of the best worker, best carpenter who was so committed and gave such quality output. The employer made one last request. He said, "As a personal favor to me, can you just build this house, last house?" The carpenter agreed. He started the work, but with time you could see that his heart was no longer in the work. He was using inferior materials, shoddy workmanship, and once the house was ready, the employer came to inspect the house, hugged the carpenter, and as he shook his hand, he passed the key of the front door to the house in the hands of the carpenter and said, "For all the quality work that you did for us, this is my gift to you." The carpenter was shocked. What a shame! If only he had known that the house that he was building was the house which was meant for him, and that he would be living in that house, he would have done it all so differently. Is that not our case as well? We live in our lives we build our lives. One day at a time, very often giving less than the best into the building. Little do we realize that the house that we are building day by day, we have to live in that house. And therefore, make your choices right. Keep your attitude proper, only daily basis. Put the best material into your day. Put the best workmanship into building your day. Because based on what you build today, you will have to live in it tomorrow. And if for some reason you haven't done it well and you can't revise it and change it now, God is very kind. He is giving us another chance tomorrow as well. Choose rightly and build wisely, because based on those right choices and building our life day by day, we will experience our life in its true fulfillment and purpose. Thank you.
कर किसी के सुख नहीं लिख सकते तो आप रबर बनकर किसी के दुख तो मिटा ही सकते। तो बस इसी रबर और पेंसिल की कलाकारी लेकर आ रही है हमारी आज की कलाकार जूली।
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Julie. I am studying in SIBCA from Consagra College. Today I am going to draw a girl with butterfly in moonlight. So let's start it. I hope you like it. Thank you.
Every day is a new beginning, so take a deep breath, smile, and start anew. So it's time for point to Socho. So I would like to invite a Riddhi ma'am for point to Socho.
Namaste everyone. My name is Riddhi from BCA department. Today I am going to share a story with you. A glass of water. One upon a time, a physiologist was teaching a stress management and audience. She recited a cup of water and asked everyone, "How heavy do you think this glass of water is?" Expecting audience another half full empty question. The crowd gave a various answers from 50 grams to 400 grams. But she said the absolute weight of the glass doesn't matter. It actually depends on how long hold it. A mute won't be a problem after an hour. Might feel a dual edge if I hold it a day. My arm would feel pressed, but the weight of the water never change. The longer I hold the heavy, it felt. Then she said the stress and various of life are just like the cup of a water. Think about them for a while. Nothing happiness, think about. Longer it start to hurt. Think about them all day and you will feel praised and happiness. It's important to remember to let go of your stress. Don't carry them for hours and days and months. Remember to put down the glass. Remember to put down the glass.
ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना, लहू देकर जिसकी की है हमने हिफाजत, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा हमारे दिल में बसाए रखना। तो चलो फिर नेशनल एंथम के लिए रेडी हो जाते हैं। असेंबली सावधान।
शुभ नामे जा